So I'm gonna add new repository. Let's see, local RPH, define, let's just add a license in MIT. That's gonna be element identification. You choose who can send you connect to this repository. Let's put the names I should about legendary Oppo. That's good. For now, let's make it public with the repo. What's going on? Oh, this is a readme. So I'm gonna do now. So what am I gonna do? Wait. I'm gonna delete this first. Now let's add it to create a new one. Let's not just add local RPH or anything. Okay, now he MPDIR and local RPH and the local RPH. What we now know is let's create first the back end or the front end or the back end first. So it's gonna be the server. I don't know. It's a CMDDIR server. Let's also create the client as well. MKDIR the client. So we have two folder now. Folder now. What I'm gonna do is let's npm time now it's 11:70 muna and 12 npm add split this one z that's gonna be javascript local rph local rph z lmz javascript. Okay, that's what's missing. So we are now local rph. So z javascript local rph. Okay, so we have the npm of the server. First, it's open out of the server, z server, infinite init y. And nodemon. I'm gonna use the nodemon npm package. So I don't use TypeScript. No. I use nodemon, install nodemon, so div, and run the application using nodemon with the command below. And nodemon the start original start command. Then request to watch, access monitor files, ignore. Okay, so NodeMon, questions on the page, and how to use NodeMon, installation NodeMon, yes. So I'm gonna use NodeMon, but PM Express NodeMon, the with secret. Okay, that was secret. See, Node.js. How to install? Yeah, basically. That's right. Basically. We also need the basic as GWT. Express GWT. I don't think GWT in Express. I think this one. Is this one? Or this one? I'm confused. Fastify. This is for Fastify. Wait. Documentation, token, decoder, OS, I don't know what. Wait. Install usage, express GWT, algorithm. I haven't heard of this algorithm before. Wait. GWT and express. GWT authentication. JSON web token, yeah, this one. And JSON token, we also need. What else? MongoDB, yes. We also need MongoDB. We also need MongoDB. Connecting Express.js to MongoDB, nice. So that's gonna be npm find express mongoose, nice. Express mongoose. But yeah, so I think that's it for now. Let's wait. Do I need the captcha? Repetition of captcha. Nah, that's it for now. Then on the right side is the client. And when I go npm, it's gonna be create right latest. So I'm gonna use ban maybe soon. I'm gonna use ban on mobile. Because ban is good and fast also. npm I React Router 2. I'm gonna use ECUI also. Generate using byte and also using byte. Let's go to X. When OP doesn't know we can do this function funcs. So funcs, this is go. This is a freaking go. This one. This is a Gusted. I'm gonna do invite. I'm gonna do this one. Invite is really important. I mean, tell them. Tell them it's really important in my life. We also need this UI. So go install this UI. Install it. Wanna use later after after installation of this one. Let's also then add this UI. Like, just look at this, really slow. Actually, I'm using the new version of Node version, the 24.5. So Node.js, I'm using the latest version. It's released earlier this day. So the blog. So okay, it was July 31. Just a couple days ago, and they have actually used. And I heard also that you can now actually export or import uh environment variable with actually using that env, and that's great actually. So we don't need actually to install external package for importing environment variable anymore. And I guess I'm just gonna wait if it's finished. Still not yet finished. Okay. Okay. Yo, hello. Um, yeah, this is so slow. Why in PM so slow? I'm gonna use reason. Ban. I'm gonna use ban pretty soon. Ban. GS. Use ban. Ban is like super fast. Like in Express, just look at that. HTTP requests per seconds. That's a lot of request handling. In Postgres, load huge table. Oh no, that's so good. WebSocket chat server. 32 clients. It has over 2 million. Look at that. The Node.js is around just 400,000. And that's not great actually. But Node aiming to be drop in replacement on Node.js, but they're still not compatible some of the things, but most of the things are compatible. So like Postgres SQL driver, it has one SQL driver, S3 driver, its client, WebSocket server, including pub and pub built-in WebSocket implementation. That's good. Its terminated HTTP server implementation also good. Router is really good. But actually, you can use router using Express. You don't need to worry about anything. And single file executable, yes, that's good. Built-in tooling, yes. Bundler, just compatibility, hot reloading server. Load your backend without disconnecting connection, preserving state. Yeah, Node.js is not like this. That's why I need NodeMon to do it for me. Monorepo support, install Rackspace packages, and Then comes the Cosmo Princess. This is good actually. I'm gonna use on my smaller project like Monorepo, but right now I'm just using not Monorepo. And fully featured dev server. This is good. Formatted the internet. Didn't have formatted. Password and hashing API, basic RIP and Argon, and non-cryptographic hash function, string based glue, and services color. Bun is a JavaScript runtime. Start bundle for the browser. Okay. Write a test. It's good. Curate SQL. Hash a password. It's a secure password. Hash and verify. Okay. It has actually like built-in one. I like this. That's why I planning to use one because it's fast. Okay, it's finished. Okay, let's try to use to install the DCUI. Then set up our let's set up our let's set up our we have our in the client we have our indexes CSS. So we actually going to delete everything. So I'm gonna need the import also the CSS. Import right import nice. Then I need to set up this on the byte config. I'm gonna set up that one import. Then when CSS from then when divide then just go with then this one finish. Let's go to the object.jsx. Let's say this this one if comes up then just try this word first name board font font board text board and let's try to add wait try to add our animation and so yes okay then let's try to run as it is um, and yeah try to do everything is working just so slow like without taking so long nice next is good and it has this UI nice okay everything is set up and right now let's try to add UI so let's go to Pinterest I think we have more on that more UI features than the dribble check for the UI art website UI so I want the art website to be like a posting website. It's more like an app. for it's more like an up rather than just normal. Like I like this kind, like I wanna make it like a tune, the Tony style where people can also post their own thing. I think I'm gonna use this one. It's easy. You can post. I'm gonna wait mobile app art 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 app UI. I wanna use art app UI that they can post their arts. Hmm, like this one. Oh, I like this one. Can we visit the site? I want to know the full UI. Mm, nice. This is good, but I'm actually using the website. I'm not going to make it more complicated than anyone. Okay, this is a simple website. People can post their art. Then people can also oh, oh, I like this one. No, I need this one. So I'm gonna copy this UI. I mean not copy, but like I'm gonna like a simple copy or reference. So first we have this one. First we need to log in. Probably I'm gonna use this UI for that. I don't need you actually. I'm gonna save you. Save like you. So that's what I'm gonna do now. But before that, I'm gonna use the login. So I'm done with setup. Install dependencies. Nice. Let's go and create the first one. But first we need to go to DSX. Let's import user router as router so that we can just do the router here. And we can just do that. Then in the update.jsx, you can add the route, then you can add the import routes, routes, import with routes, and route. If we want to create what you want is let's actually add this one. Let's actually put them on this one. Then we need to do routes. And we need to do route. Route. Not this one, but rather this one. We have to add and element. We just format this. Okay, that's it for Now let's just add a new. Actually, we need to add a new. Let's see, pages. So we're gonna do pages. No, pages. Pages. Let's add a new components. Components. Then we're gonna do now. We have pages and services also. Services. So this is where in the pages let's add our home. First we need the home. Oh, no. In the pages we need to add the out page. This is out page. In the out page let's add the login.jsx and let's add the sign up.jsx. This is good. Okay. But right now we have other pages. It's gonna be the hero or the home. Just say the home.jsx. The home.jsx. It's the RFC. The RFC. Home. Hello. This is home. Now, hello, this is home. You can actually save that and probably through the app. See, probably to go to home like that. Let's see if it's working. Yes, this is home. Okay, it's working. We have this is home, but now let's check first the theme. I'm gonna use this default and light the this UI. Let's go to the index. Let's this one, this one. Then let's go to our usage HTML. Let's add the HTML. Let's add the. I know. Let's go to the app. Let's add data. They equal to identify expect or ba? Or should I just data equal to 9? Nothing's wrong. But this is not allowed. I'm just going to add this one. We have the light. But and the home. Okay, this is good. Okay, we have everything set up. Lighting. Yes, I am using this. I am using it. I'm gonna do chat. Yes, I am using this event. Then I actually I'm not that good in using this event. And yeah, so let's go to the home. Setting something, so just go with the sign up. And let's go to the CUI. The CUI have the file. I think we have also the tool with the text area. Where's the input field? I wanna use input field with icons. Yes. With email. Yeah, I love this one. So I'm just going to use this one. Copy. Then let's get a component. And ano, how about the input email? So use this input email and I'm gonna make this input email that is to this input email and C I C and it's okay. The option to delete everything, just need to add this one. Then since we have that, let's go back to our sign up. Let's add RFC. Sign up. Then let's see import email. No, import email. Then let's actually delete this one. Yeah, not that good. Let's see. Okay, I didn't set the, let's delete this one. We also need to delete this index. And also need the main, and we actually need the current routes. This is gonna be the route, but actually for now I'm not going to create because I want to create like an authenticated path, authenticated routes, so that means it has like it only be appeared if authenticated. That's why we need the home or this one. This one can only be appeared if authenticated, but for now since we didn't have any backend yet, and we also need let's just say that sign up, and the element is, let's just add sign up page. Right, wait, identifier expected. Okay, sorry. Now we need to actually connect this one first. I'm just going to say that home and make this first. Okay. What we need now is the page itself. Since we have there one, we need to add class name. It's gonna be max width of 5xl height of full flex justify center item center. So yeah, okay. Oh, okay. It's because in the parent element here we don't have actually specified it, so we need to actually add a div. We need to actually add a div. So actually to add it here. The routes, and then actually the routes here. So you can just add actually the first name we pull its screen. we need wait, can I add further? Yeah, it's not actually doing its thing. Maybe something wrong with the read in the parent. So it's just gonna be like I'm just going to use screen, right? Can I still use the screen? And I'm gonna do is I don't need screen 4 and import the sign up with Max XL. Or probably I just need to wait. Can I add 6 pixels already? Yes, it's working. But I don't know why. Okay. How about just say that with full? Yeah, so everything is in the center. And since the input email is type of form, that means we need to pass down something on this one. Oh, we don't need actually, we just need the form. So, right, then we need to pass down the data. Okay, we didn't actually to separate the input email. I think it's kind of necessary for us to do this. So it's gonna be like, I'm just gonna add this one like this. It still work. The valid email address, nice. Now what we need is the password. And we need the password. And we need the password. And this is one Netflix call. And we need the password. And also we need also to make sure that wait. Okay. Nice, we have everything we need here. Are you making a sign-in page? Yes, I am making one. And yeah, probably I need to make it like more on like so I'm gonna add a form. Then I'm gonna add an escape. I'm gonna add this one to here. Okay. Then I need to add last name Max with 4XL. Let's add a border to see how much it has. It's gonna be 3, 4. Let's say that it's gonna be the flex. It's gonna be a flex. Flex call. Justify center. Item center. Sure. Okay. It's good. But we need a little burger. It's gonna be 8 twice. Okay. So wait, I'm gonna use padding inside of 3. Okay. Then let's add a gap of 2. Okay. Let's also I'm not going I'm not going to make this one. I'm just gonna say that weight's gonna be 1/2 of the, that's way bigger. It's gonna be 1/4. Nice, it's cool. It's good. So we have everything here. Now also need just had the inspiration for the Pinterest also. And login my mobile. I'm gonna add a mobile style. Like in this one, I wanna make sure it's something like this. So probably I'm gonna add something like, I'm gonna rewrite this one in UI. Gotcha. I'm gonna update this one. Not integrate the function, but rather add the block and all the login and sign up. That's gonna be the one. Okay. Let's go back to the UI. So in this one, let's add a, I want it like a simple one, a simple UI, just a simple UI. And I don't need more the Marius one. I need this one. This is good. So I need uh Artco. So I'm gonna say in this one, let's add an H1 Artco. So in the Artco, let's say class name. Let's add class name x2xl. Then font gold Artco, nice. But but so the title is supposed to be inside, right? Supposed to be inside. So Artco, nice. And we need a proper font, Google font. Probably like a Comic Sun, Google Sun. And we need to try the Google Sun. Wait, Google Sun code. Yeah. This is the new font of Wave, the new sun, the new styles of. I don't need actually this one. We just need the Google Sun. And let's go to the index. ML. Import that one, that link. Then let's use the let's go to the index. Let's use s. Let's add as entire one family. Wait. Yeah, we have one. It's good. It's like a new font of the Google. Nice. So we need also the button. So go back here. We need the button. I need the button to be submit. Expansive wide button. login Apple button block. Button block is like white button. No, this is the white button. Let's see. Let's go back to sign up page. Let's add last, maybe the white button. Yes. How about the button block? BT in block. Okay. I think we need also to make the input to be with full, and also same with the other one with full. Nice, everything nice. Then the article should be a quiz for XL. Then font extra. Then let's add a color. Let's add text pink. No. Let's wait. No. What's going on? Text A. Not amber. Alright. Alright. Then let's add like a simple bear or something, but maybe later on. And I want this to have more gap, at least 3, I think, to make some space. Like this one, I want it to make it 4. Yes, that's cool, that's good. And the wide should be sign up. Then we need also the name. We need to import another import. Just a name, like what's your name? The name, and that's it. Username, it's kind of bloated. Don't really care. And input validation. Username, placeholder username, but rather right username, just username. Yes, we have the username. And right, was which one? There's a huge gap. Validator hint. Okay, hidden. Every validator is hidden. It's supposed to be hidden, right? We have this is for the input email. Wait, we have the password. We have the yeah. So you're supposed to be hidden first. Okay, nice. like that one. Okay, it's red. Okay, and yeah, I think this. I still wanna make this a little smaller. Or like, how about 1/5? Yeah, it's good. 3/4 is way big, but 1/2. Yeah, let's go. And I don't know what to use 1/2, brother. Just gonna make this auto. I don't have to worry about sizing. I'm gonna save it also and like it. Yeah, we need one forgot password. We need also the forgot password. That's gonna be it's gonna be a p tag. And forgot password. It's gonna be the forgot password. Then we need the e. Click here, and we need this. Okay, click here, and we need this one to be a class name inline. Inline. I don't know what is inline. Forgot password. Text ball. It's a fun food. Nice. Then let's add a blue one. Text blue. Click it. That's okay. Icon. Click it. Simple, easy. It's nothing actually. Just a simple one. Simple as this icon. Yes. Yo, hello. Hello. And what we need here is and yeah. If we're going to click, we need also the like for example, let's just add the for now let's add the import use navigate our app router. Let's add the cons navigate no navigate to use navigate then cons go to home navigate right that one we can't okay almost okay it's not of course it's not we're not trying to call that one we need to add the on click here on click go to home okay so you can just ignore what's going on path is home what is going on Net mainland, did you mean mainland Dome property? Like, why I cannot go home? I'm supposed to be navigating going back to home, right? Okay, let's import. How about we don't need actually to add required because in input email we need to use required. For now it's not. Same with the password. Let's not use type password required also. Same with the username and also the required. And why? Backward mainland, what do you mean by this? Level type password max. Oh, it's in the level. Probably in this one. Plus new box level. Because it's technically, you mean mainland. Sign up page 30. 30. Okay, that's the problem. 82. Okay, now let's make this. I don't know why is this not working. It's supposed to be working. When I'm going to click this one, it's supposed to go into the. What is that? Just say that login. It's gonna be home. Sign up page. It's gonna be this one, right? Then let's add to go with the login. Let's go to home. No, it's not. Navigate. Use navigate. Up that is home path. Snake is you type minute. Okay. Yeah. So what's supposed to be the problem here? I mean, usually I set up my alter like something like this. Oh, why it's not working? Like it's supposed to be going to that. Maybe this one. It's not. Okay. I'm clicking the wrong thing all this time. I'm clicking this one instead of clicking the sign up. Oh my god. Okay. Everything's worked out. This is for the sign up. probably the same with the login. So it's in the login. So it's gonna say that na copy this one, and then let's just say that login, and let's say that login. Then let's go to app.csx. Let's add a path. Let's add the route. But this is the sign up. It's gonna be the login, and the element is equal to login, and also this one. So if you're going to say that forget password, click here. Don't have an account. You mean this was not supposed to be here because I'm signing up. Just say that don't have an account. Rather, don't have an account. I already have an account. Already have an account. Already. And in the login, don't have an account here. Below this one is, or maybe I should have just say that don't have an account. Don't have an account. Sign up. Then the sign up, don't have account. Not already have an account. Then you can just add a routes. Cons go to login, and navigate to login. Then let's add the A and go to login. One, same with this one. Cons go to sign up, and navigate to sign up, and click go to sign up. Sign up. But in the login, there's no username. So we're going to do the username. Yes, sign up, login, sign up, login, sign up, login. And of course, in the login, we need to add the login. So we need to sign up. Sign up, login, sign up. Nice. Sign up, login. Okay. We have everything set up, but I need a wider padding. At least wider padding of the PX of 5 and PY of 3. And same with this one, PX of PY3 PX05. And probably with the similar, we don't have a border. Okay, I don't put the border. Just do that and let's try the border. Same with here one. Try the border. Oh no. Oh, I already have, I also have a border. Why I have so many border? Okay. School. Sign up. Nice. Let's go back. Ooh. Okay. In the login, we actually need. Oh no. It's login. Yes. Art. Go. As we have set up the UI, I wanna make this really simple as this one. Oh, I'm gonna do with dice beer, and yeah, I'm gonna use dice beer, just HTTP styles. Wanna use with styles. Fun emoji, shape, icons, glass, fun emoji, big ears, use that. Then let's add the img below our img and this one. It's no posting tab on the img. This is so cute. I'm gonna do just add the class name, size of 6. That's about 20. At least I'm gonna make similar to that. But of 32. Oh, it's so big. Like there's so much gap. Next 40. And yeah, let's do 56. Okay, it's good. Then I wanna make this one to be bigger. It's gonna be 5XL and 5XL. Then let's add a tab. P. And again to on the same thing. login to art group, and a smiling emoji of course. Big S clip SVG scene question mark scene is equal to Phoenix. Then let's copy this one to the sign up. Then delete this one. Sign up. Nice. Okay. Then sign up. No, sign up, sign up, sign up, sign up. So I'm gonna log in and go to the home page. What's the best thing? Should I click on X? I like the X because like simplified. I'm gonna make something like this. Like you have this one, the post one, and some of the followings, some news and things also. Search for I like this one. So I'm gonna copy that one. I'm gonna now go on the side. Also need the side for limit everything. Then I'm gonna okay, that's good. What else? What else? What else? What else? Yeah. So we created and yeah, just create the page UI, create profile page UI, create the post page UI, create okay, that's it for now. And should I ask should I ask more? The next one, yeah, okay, that's it. I think there's nothing wrong. I think it's good. Working, sign up and sign in here, and log in. It's very cool. I like this one. I like this one. Okay. So working, everything is working. It's loading the iceberg. Log into Artco. Now, what else? Should I start first the back end? Probably yes, probably not. I'm not yet gonna do that. I think what are missing? I think something's missing here. Okay, let's add for that living email. Let's add that by continuing We continue. You agree with our terms and privacy. Let's add that one and then sign up. Let's add that one. So let's add a div and it's gonna be class name x call and let's add the p. Is that a p? Yeah, it's a p. A p tag. It is a class name of x gray x gray 500 by continuing continue 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 you agree to r to r to r then let's add another p with the class name says terms then we have span with the class name text normal text font bold neutral not literal but bold font bold font normal terms and services services because we need to have the font bold sign up nice we will also make them justify center items center nice so we also have the yes. Simple login and UI simple as that okay article now I want this that people can also use this one we erase that terms and should public to R not out but R I wanna make this mobile wait it's not mobile yet okay let's just make this mobile login. The login. The reason why it's something like that is because of this one. So I'm gonna use MD, and I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be with yes, and I'm gonna do is MD P0. You want to wear this gonna be P. And yeah, same with our sign up. So if we go to sign up, right, then we go to the sign up now form. Since we have the PX, this is gonna be the MD. I'm gonna delete this one. This is gonna be P3. But this one is gonna be MD. And I'm gonna do MD P0. Then let's go to sign up. And we yes, it's responsive now. So it's automatically adapt to anything we actually want. Like pretty easy to set up the responsiveness on the UI. You can actually enhance this. It's a small size, so it's added small. So instead of using here, so is read o 1 half. So it's this is good with 1 half MD and the large. Expected with the MD, but in the login it's not working. So similar here, this is add the SM with 1 half. That's how you create a simple responsiveness in Tailwinds. You don't have to worry about anything else. This is good. You don't have to worry about anything else. Oh, let's set up the MD. What if I set 1 half? For the login. It's 1/5. So it's gonna say okay. This code is with our Samsung Galaxy. Okay, it's right. It's right. Better right. Pa, 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 ra, pa, 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 pa. Hmm. Okay. Log into our everything set up. Okay. Then uh, I think that's what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna sleep. Thank you for everyone watching. And yeah, see you tomorrow.